Good morning students. In this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15. The name of the chapter is Disaster and Rescue, from standard 5th, subject Environment. Do you know the meaning of disaster? Disaster means a sudden accident or a natural problem that causes huge loss of life or a great damage to public and private property. This type of situation is known as disaster. Now the meaning of rescue. Rescue means saving someone from a difficult or dangerous situation is known as rescue. So all of you open your environment textbook, page number 108, chapter 15, disaster and rescue. Here one reading section is given. So let's read. We see and hear about many events happening around us. Vehicular accident happen or a child falls off while flying a kite. We are observing and hearing many types of events in our surrounding that are happening, like vehicular accident or road accident, a child fall off from terrace while flying a kite, flood, earthquakes, cyclones. Many these types of situation we are seeing and hearing in our surrounding. We are also reading these types of situation in newspaper and also watching these types of situation in newspaper news also. Some such events causes damage to personal and public property. From such types of event there is a huge loss of public and private property also. Sometimes a loss of lives also occur due to such disaster. Now observe and see. Here two pictures are given. We have to observe and see. In first picture you can clearly see that some people are bathing in river and some people are giving bath to their animals, and over bridge is over that river and vehicles are going from there. In second situation, suddenly the water level has increased. You can clearly see that in this first picture the water level is here, and in second picture the water level has increased, and the people that are bathing in river or that are giving bath to their animals are sinking in water, and the people from bridge are shouting to rescue them, to save them. Now some questions are given. Think and say. You can see any disaster. Can you see any disaster in these pictures? So yes, we can see the disaster of flood in these pictures. Next question, if there are flood in the village, what type of problem can occur? So in flood, what happens? The water level of river suddenly increases due to heavy rainfall or melting of ice in mountains. So the first problem is everywhere there will be water, and row houses will swept away from the water flow, and people and animals living in that village will get a huge loss. What damage are caused due to flood? फ्लड की वजह से क्या क्या नुकसान होता है? तो फ्लड की वजह से क्या नुकसान होता है कि सब आपके घरों में जो लो लेवल पे लोग रह रहे हैं उनकी घरों में पानी घुस जाता है, और देयर इज अ ह्यूज लॉस ऑफ लाइफ्स आल्सो एंड पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी आल्सो. व्हेन इज सच अ सिचुएशन सी. ऐसी सिचुएशन आपको कब दिखाई देती है? तो फ्लड, the main cause of flood is rainfall, and the second cause is melting of ice in mountain regions. Okay, now next page 109. Read. Through various questions we have come to know that occurrence of flood is a disaster. हमें in different questions के in base of these questions we have come to know that flood is a disaster. We have to face a lot of problems during such disaster. और इस टाइप के सिचुएशन से, फ्लड या फिर दूसरे डिजास्टर से हमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व सम पिक्चर्स हियर एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी हैव टू राइट. In first picture, a violent winds are flowing and people are running to save their life and trees are uprooted. So in first sentence is already given, a storm has occurred. तो सेकंड क्या हो सकता है कि many trees in villages have uprooted or huts and raw houses have to suffered many major problems or major damages, or human, animals and birds are injured due to this type of situation. In second picture, a house is on fire. एक घर है जिसमें आग लग गई है. Here one house is there in which fire has occurred and people are trying to extinguish this fire. So what we can write, all the belongings kept in the house would have been burnt. जो भी चीज़ें घर में रखी हुई है वो जल सकती है. और if any person is left in the house he must have suffered major fire injuries. और अगर कोई इंसान घर में रह गया है तो उसे major fire injuries हो सकती है. In the third situation, in the third picture, we can clearly see that a girl is admitted in the hospital and a doctor and nurse is observing or examining her. So the girl is admitted in the hospital to the hospital. She is suffering from stomachache. We can say this from the last sentence, it must have happened due to eating outside food. ये सेंटेंस हमें नीचे दिया गया है, उसके ऊपर से उसको देखते हुए हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मे बी उसे स्टमक एक हुआ होगा. एंड द डॉक्टर इज एग्जामिनिंग हर. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू टर्न पेज नंबर 110. Here also observation is given. We 4 pictures are given and we have to observe that picture. So in first picture 2 children are there, 2 boys are there. One is following the traffic rule and he is walking on the footpath, and the second boy is not following the traffic rule, he is walking in between the road. So and in second picture one car is coming from the opposite direction and the boy is going towards the car. And in third picture the boy collides with the car. What happens in third picture? The boy collides with the car and accident happen. In fourth picture we can see that the boy fell down on the road and got many injuries. Like blood is coming from his body and people are trying to help him. Now think and say, what do you see in this picture? The picture shows that accident happens due to our carelessness. How did this accident happens? So this accident happens as the boy was not walking on the footpath, he was walking in between the road. Okay. Next question, how can such accidents be avoided? How can we avoid such types of accident? So we have to follow the traffic rules. We should walk on, if footpath is there, we should walk on the footpath, and before crossing the road we should see on both sides. What sort of problem after the accident? So what kinds of problems can arise due to accident? So the people that met with the accident can can get injuries or can his or her bone can be fractured, and he can put his life also in danger. Mention other such accidents like road accidents, wars, terrorist attack, gas leakage, fire breakout, etc. are such types of accidents. Now page number 111, observation. Here also we have to observe this picture and write based on this picture. In first picture we can see that two boys are trying to catch the flying kite and they are not aware of a car coming from the opposite direction. Okay, so let's write is running to catch a freely flying kites. The two children are running behind the kite without looking at the road or without looking at the moving vehicle on the road. He collides with a vehicle and accident takes place. Now in second picture, a hot milk is there in the cup and the boy tries to climb something from upside and suddenly this type hot cup has fallen in his hand and he got fire injury or his hand has been burnt. He must have burnt hands and stomach. In third picture we can see that a girl is there and she is trying to switch on, and as she touches the switch it gets shocked. She gets shocked. So the reason may be that his hands are wet or the wire in the switch may not be insulated properly and hence there is a current in the switch. Okay. So till now we are completing till now we will complete our chapter in next video. Thank you.